forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Sopo Lenyoni.
Oy sibo kanjani?
Ukraine.
Hayi mfowethu akufana.
Usanda wana mangathi ufuna ukubaleka la.
Hayi mfowethu cishe ngamenza kabi kodwa ke.
Yeah, ampurgu makarapa yomuthi ngama last minute. Ubonile uBennett Mokoena Mr. Ubonile makarapa endo thinki.
Awalamuzi uyazi baba.
Mfowethu. Le ndoda iyeke. Kubhlungu ngoba yasho wawu-Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Uyoza ngishaya emhla kwabuya uRibeiro. Okwamanje nje akeme.
Ishayile.
Hayi no akeme mfowethu hayi uFernando da Cruz uza kahle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still early days of course kodwa ke engikuthandayo ngayo ukuthi I mean this was a tough week for the Chiefs. 3 games.
Yeah.
In 6 days.
Sure.
So what do you do when you play against Sundowns? You know what to vele. No, I.
Transition Khatale.
No, I khululeka. Khululeka. Ngikhathele kona kodwa hayi ukuthi ngingashawa wo. Yeah. So Fernando da Cruz uyibambile lento.
Yeah, sure.
He learned from Cedric Kazo.
Yeah.
If you want to frustrate Sundowns, just pack the defense, pack the midfield.
Yeah.
For them to face Brendan Peterson, they have to deal with all that traffic.
Yeah, sure.
So Brian Leon nowhere to be found.
Yeah.
Abu Morris nowhere to be found. Yeah. Ibola banalo, but they are not dangerous.
Yeah.
So Da Cruz usebenzile le ndaba. From now on, everyone udlala ne Sundowns. Ibhasi lipakwa kanje.
Yabona mabesivala benza kanje sifike sifaka icash nje without deposit.
Yeah.
Cash no deposit.
Yeah.
Slimaza umbonile uMaselo wayenza.
Baba wami chazi number level.
Diamond angicava ukuthi PSL izoziba imbonene ukuthi akekho level yawo. Awudlalela inye disk la man.
Ukesha umbonile.
Hayi le akufuneka deposit moya da. Kufuneka umuntu ophethe cash.
Kufanele ukubonile yena la.
Imnandi yona kufanele Sopo ngisazobuyela ngayo. Yeah. Ladies first ungawari. That's why korrecala vela amakhosikazi la. Ungawari ka baba.
Yeah, it's the young guy man of the match. Man of the match.
Uphile Stibo.
Chasing number 7.
Abona uphile.
Yeah.
Uphile Ntsombo.
Future Chiefs.
Kakhulu Stibo.
Future Chiefs.
Abona na yesa letsatsi la libe langa elihle libe phile. Wabona bari bhayizisa man. Mara dlari Stibo. Bona into disappointa ewane ne. Last season athomile no Sora winner 2 games and then kopana sana sera drop up points. But let's happen this season.
Sure.
Ngase drop the points why they were rated last season ikati.
Yeah,
this season we are cruising. We are as a Kaizer Chiefs and we are cruising with the cruise.
Before you call ngamza mfeta shapeka presentation ya ore daire mba uipile jwa machita bape.
Okay. Right. Comes the commentator one chaka botsefela la bala ilele botsela FNB o tlaitshia ga rampala o tlele bo mabo tlaitshia bolo e bia motseleng ya President of Barbon President of o tlaitshia bolo feta ga monar bona o itjo e bia motseleng ya langele tlhapile Ona elewane stop sa Kaizer Chiefs elenoto stop sa Mamelodi Sundowns Kachia bolo Ronen William utop chabele chibele botlolo bona Ronen William chabolo ibe motsileng ya maleme motiao bona maleme motiao wa chola tlhabolo etelo la tlaga rampale botlolo e kre Maselo wa iselula bona Maselo wa chola ibe motsileng ya Modiba bona Diba ralikabolo etele ibe Maselo alene bona Maselo alene ralikabolo etele Kachia
Yeah.